Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on a very special painting of Radha Krishna to celebrate Holi in my style. But as you can see, this is not just a regular painting. To make their divine jewelry truly stand out, I use a clay. I take a small piece, roll it into a tiny ball and give them shape every single detail by hand. Once the design is ready, I use a gum to fix it directly into the canvas. It creates an amazing 3D texture that makes the artwork feel alive. I am using Fevicryl Mouldit. You can get it on Amazon, Flipkart or any online shopping or any store. If you haven't used this clay before, it comes in two parts. One is the resin base and another one is hardener. I take equal amount of both and mix them thoroughly until they become a smooth, uniform dough. I can give you one quick art tip. I use a little bit of talcum powder on my fingertip so the clay doesn't stick on my hands. Once it mixed, I have a short window before it starts to harden. So I quickly roll it into a tiny ball and shape the jewelry designs. I use a Fevicol to fix each piece directly to the canvas. As it air dried, it becomes rock solid, giving us this beautiful permanent 3D texture to paint over. By the way, do you know why are Radha and Krishna so central to Holi? The connection is rooted in their famous divine play or Leela. In ancient legends, Krishna, whose name in dark, would sometimes tease Radha about their fair complexion. To play a trick, he and his friend would visit Radha's village, playfully smearing color on her and the gopis. This loving color exchange started the beautiful tradition of Holi as we know it today. It is not just about a festival, it is a celebration of pure love, breaking down social barriers and finding joy in communal play. It is exactly that playful, unifying spirit that I wanted to capture in this painting. Hey, do you know Holi isn't just about colors? In Radha's village of Barsana, they celebrate Latmar Holi. Women playfully chase the man with a wooden stick, recreating the legend of Radha and her friend chasing a Krishna away. It is a beautiful, joyful tradition that shows the playful teasing at the heart of their relationship. This painting is taking a lot of time and patience, but that feels fitting. Did you know that in the Braj region of India, where Radha and Krishna ji lived, Holi isn't just a one-day event. They celebrate the festival of color for up to 40 days. Yes, do you believe 40 days? It is a massive season of love, music and devotion. Once the clay structure is secured and dated, I can move on to the coloring. This is the delicate part of the process because I have to build layers around the fixed details. I start by carefully painting Krishna's signature blue and Radha's warm orange turmeric tone into the canvas. It is a precious balance of allowing the paint to show the colors while making sure the details of the clay work are not covered up. Notice how closely their faces are positioned. I wanted to capture the belief that Radha and Krishna are actually one soul in two bodies. Their love isn't just a romantic, it is the ultimate symbol of the human soul seeking the divine. While applying this vibrant color, it reminds me one thing. Phoolon wali Holi. In Vrindavan, where they celebrate with thousands of flower petals instead of powder. The tactile, raised texture of this clay jewelry almost mimic that beautiful, physical feeling of the festive. Their love wasn't bound by traditional earthly marriage. It was purely spiritual. That is why we still celebrate them today. They represent the absolute purest form of devotion. As I am painting this, every color holds a special meaning for Holi. I will be using vibrant blue for Krishna to represent the endless sky and the ocean, showing his divine infinite nature. The yellow and the warm orange I am using for Radha symbolize turmeric, which represent purity and the earth. And of course the bright red for Holi. Red symbolize for love. So this is how it looks today. A work is progress. It still has a long way to go before it's fully complete. I need to finish the background, the lower back neck and refine all the color. But the story is already there. I really can't wait to see how it look when it is finally finished. If you enjoy this look at my technique and the story behind it, please like this video and subscribe to follow along with the process. And to everyone celebrating, I wish you a very colorful and happy Holi. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.